Here's a 2011 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, external memory control, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, running boards, heavy-duty shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Of the Ram 1500, Car and Driver proclaims Dodge changes the state-of-the-art and the rules in the full-size pickup game. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.